Hi, Danielle. Are you a chef today, or are you a baker? What are you making?
Cake.
Let me see. What do you have? You have your dough, and you put them on the baking sheet. And what else do you have? What else are you gonna do with them?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles? Let me see. What are you gonna do with the sprinkles?
And then put them on after the video.
Let me see. Put them on. Let me see what you can do with them. What? Are you making a cookie or a cake, or what is that?
I'm trying to make a cake.
You're trying to make a cake?
Yeah, but I don't know which one if that was first.
How come you're taking the sprinkles off?
Well, I'm going to do it after the video.
Show me how you roll it. Whoa. You like cooking? Yeah?
It's easier to take them off than to get them rolled. There's some sprinkles over those.
You want more sprinkles?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Kettle sprinkles.
Okay. When are you going to put those in the oven?
Then after I make the cake.
All right. All right, good job. I can't wait to eat them.